How to delete your Facebook account. Now, in order to delete your Facebook account, just simply open your Facebook app, and after opening your Facebook app, tap to these three lines from the top right corner. Tap in there, and then you are gonna see the setting icon. Tap to the setting icon and you will be in the settings and privacy of Facebook. Now from here, select the option of account center of Meta account center. You just simply need to tap into this manage accounts button after coming in here, and from here you need to tap to this manage button beside Facebook account. Now tap to this option of deactivation or deletion, and in order to delete your account, select delete account from here and tap to continue. Then you need to pick up whatever option from here and tap to continue, and after tapping continue, again tap to continue once again and scroll down to all the way to bottom and tap to continue. All you need to do is to tap to continue, and in this page you need to enter your password of Facebook account. It will not be visible to you because of the privacy reasons, and tap to continue in this page as well after entering the password. Then it will ask you to confirm the permanent account deletion, and in this page you need to tap to delete account, and your account will be scheduled for deletion in Facebook and will be deleted after the 30 days of scheduling. Now this is how you can very easily delete your Facebook account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.